Hello again, I'm Will Katie with SourceAudio, and today we're going to talk about the Soundblox 2 Multiwave Bass Distortion. This is the third generation of the Multiwave Bass Distortion, which has been a hugely successful effect for us. A lot of people who play dubstep bass, jazz, funk, fusion, rock, and metal, they've all found a great use in a totally different way for this pedal. So when we brought it over to the Soundblox 2 format, our objective was to give you more enhanced control. So we're going to check out more of what the interface offers in this demo video, and you can click the links anywhere on the screen to check out the past demos that we've done that really dug deep into the effects. I mean, there's just such a variety of sounds you can get out of it, it's hard to capture it in one video. On the interface, there are 4 primary knobs for the Soundblox 2 that were carried over from the Soundblox and Soundblox Pro versions of the pedal. First and foremost is the Effect Selector knob in the center of the interface. This houses 22 different distortion types plus a clean boost. Below that, to the left, is the Drive knob, which allows you to control the distortion or fuzz of each effect type. And then there's the all-important Clean Mix and Distortion Mix knob. These are separate balances of your clean signal and your distortion signal, and they work like a dream to keep in your low end. We've also added some option knobs to the interface. On the left, you have the Noise Gate button, which lets you choose between low, medium, and high. On the right, we have the Tone Shape button. This gives you 3 bands of tone control. You have treble, mid, and bass. Select a band, and then with a tone knob, you can cut it or boost it. If you want to zero out the entire frequency range, press and hold the Tone Shape button, and everything will be reset. One of the greatest additions of the Soundblox 2 line is the enhanced controls for the multifunction input. You can assign an expression pedal, a hot hand, or use a MIDI connection to control any singular knob on the interface. And this is something that you couldn't do on the other versions of our Soundblox effects. To choose your external input, press and hold the Tone Shape button and then the Noise Gate button. This will take you to the secondary mode with a red LED that allows you to choose between an expression pedal, MIDI, and hot hand. There's a 4th off position, which deactivates external control. And the default for these is to control morphing between the presets. But if you want to assign, say, hot hand to one of these knobs, say Drive, what you want to do is press and hold the Noise Gate button until it starts blinking, and then choose your minimum starting position, press the Noise Gate button, and then choose your maximum position, and press again. To restore your external control back to its default morphing function, select the 4th off position and then press and hold the Noise Gate button until all 3 LEDs blink. So that covers the new options and sounds of the Soundblox 2 Multiwave Bass Distortion. If you want to check out more about it, head to www.sourceaudio.net.